Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Time is often compared to a river, relentless, flowing, and eventually washing away everything it touches. We are told that all things must decay, that the earth eventually claims back what was borrowed from it. But history sometimes reveals a miracle that defies the very laws of nature. A moment where time itself seems to stand still in reverence. Centuries ago, in the ancient lands of Persia, a group of travelers and soldiers stumbled upon a secret that had been preserved for hundreds of years. This is not just a story of a discovery. It is a story of divine protection, a hidden legacy, and the profound wisdom of a caliph who chose to let a prophet rest in the shadows of the unknown. The year was during the caliphate of Umar bin Khattab. The Muslim forces, led by the companion Abu Musa al-Ash'ari, had entered the city of Tustar in the region of Hormuzan. Amidst the spoils of war and the shifting tides of empires, they found something unexpected inside the city's times, Baytul Mal asterisk, or treasury. There, resting in a casket, was the body of a man. But he did not look like the ancient dead, though the people of Hormuzan explained that he had passed away over 300 years ago. His body remained perfectly intact, showing no signs of decay or the passage of time. He was described as a man with a distinctively long nose. To the locals, he was more than a memory. He was a source of hope. In times of drought, they would bring his body out to seek rain, and in times of need, they sought help through his presence. Confused by this extraordinary sight, Abu Musa al-Ash'ari wrote a letter to the Caliph, Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu, seeking guidance. Umar, a man of deep spiritual insight and knowledge, recognized the truth immediately. Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu recognized him as Daniyal, whom many scholars regard as a prophet from Bani Israel. Umar then spoke of a divine reality that transcends biological science. This is a prophet among the prophets, he noted, explaining that Allah has forbidden the earth from consuming the bodies of the prophets. It is a profound thought that the very ground we walk upon is commanded to be gentle with those who carry the message of the heavens. While the world changes and civilizations rise and fall, the physical form of a prophet remains as if they are merely asleep, untouched by the corruption of the soil. But with this discovery came a heavy responsibility. Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu knew the human heart's tendency to turn a sign into an idol. He feared that if the location of the grave remained known, people would continue to turn it into a place of ritualistic worship, or seek to dig it up again. To protect the dignity of the prophet and the purity of faith, Umar radiyallahu anhu issued a remarkable command. Bury him in a place that no one knows except you and your companion. Abu Musa and his companions then executed a plan of beautiful complexity. They went to a river and temporarily diverted its flow by damming the water. During the day, they dug 13 separate graves in different locations along the dry riverbed. As night fell, under the cover of darkness and the watchful eyes of the stars, they buried the prophet in one of those 13 graves. They then leveled all the graves, making them indistinguishable from the earth around them. Finally, they released the waters, letting the river flow once more over the sacred ground. Today, the river still flows, and the earth still holds its secret. No one knows exactly where Prophet Daniyal lies. By hiding his grave, the companions ensured that he would be honored, not by the building of a monument, but by the preservation of his dignity. There is a spiritual beauty in this anonymity. It teaches us that the greatest miracles are not always meant to be displayed in museums or marked with gold. Sometimes, the most sacred things are meant to be kept between the Creator and the earth. Prophet Daniyal remains preserved, a testament to the promise that the earth does not consume those who were close to the divine And as we reflect on this story, we are reminded that while bodies may be hidden and graves may be leveled, the light of truth and the legacy of the righteous can never be buried. They live on, not in the stones we visit, but in the faith we carry in our hearts. Barakallahu feekum.